Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I wish you a very warm good morning today to start the third part of the contents and videos of this channel, which I have already mentioned. The name of the channel has been changed, and I believe the name you have learned that the ongoing videos will be coming in this name, SMART Garments Kormee. From today, we will start our journey how to become a successful HR, admin and compliance professional in this 100% export oriented industry. Dear students, we understood that you have already passed BBA, MBA, or you have completed graduation, even master degree. Now you are looking for the job and you want to develop the career of your life in this industry. Now question is, without understanding and having experience, you are probably not getting a good job or with a good company where you can explore yourself. However, this is the platform, yes, of course, digitalized platform. You will be able to learn, and of course you will get some knowledge where you will be able to express yourself and show to your employer that we know, and of course you can utilize this knowledge to expand your career in this industry. Let's start how we should be able to understand, of course, the business of this industry. There are a number of departments. First, we must learn this about this industry. Let's talk in two terms. One is cut to pack, another is the full composite industry. What is cut to pack? Cut to pack means it starts from the process of the production, cutting, sewing and packing. After that, the shipment goes to the port and the goods go to its destination. And one is the composite, because this is the garments industry. We need fabric. To produce the fabric, it starts from starting from the fabric production. It comes through after processing the yarn to the grey fabric, and after grey fabric it goes to the dye mill, dyeing, finishing, and it again comes to the cutting department of the cut to pack unit. This is the way we must know this basic knowledge of this total composite industry. Spinning is something more backward industry where we will be talking in future as well. So we learned that this RMG industry is started from cutting to finishing and goes to its destination, the final goods. Before this, there is backward linkage. We call it backward linkage, and with the backward linkage, we learned that it starts from the fabric preparation. Fabric comes from yarn after processing, which we call the circular knitting. After circular knitting, the yarn being transformed or being added value to the fabric form, grey fabric form. After grey fabric, this fabric goes to dye mill where the dyeing process is being done, and after dyeing, the fabric is being processed. So this knowledge is of course important, and we must have this. Without this knowledge, we will be not capable to talk anything of textile industry or RMG, ready-made garments industry. Dear students, of course, this is the basic knowledge I told just now, and beside this, we must understand that what are the departments in this industry and why do we want to work with HRSE, I mean Human Resources, Administration and Compliance. There are a number of departments. Say it starts from the production, floor level, absolute floor work, and the people have to be with the machines and in the production floor. So I told this is production department. Then there is department which we call merchandising department, where the order being purchased, being received from the buyer, and other things of the accessories and fabric being managed. Then this accessories and fabric being stored in the store department, which we call sometimes warehouse. Production department I told. It also comes the accounts, then the information technology, and the most important department is HR, admin and compliance. Some of the factories it separates these three departments. Some other factories it accumulated these three departments under one umbrella. Compliance, most of the cases we have seen that the compliance is separated, and I believe it should be separated to have the full implementation of the compliance. I mean the laws and regulations implemented in the factory. HR should be working to have the control over the human resources management and for the proper utilization of the manpower in the industry. We have to understand this is a business where profit is absolute target. Without profit, no business can run, and for this reason, we have to understand the business as well. And that is why we call in total now operations management. Altogether, we have to understand what is operations management. Without understanding operations management in total, we will not be able to understand how to bring the profit in the business. Dear students, we have to understand the importance of the HRSC department, I mean Human Resources Administration Compliance Department, why it is required, what are the ways it can bring the profit to the organization. As I told, without profit, no value to run the business. That's why this is HRSC department. Most of the cases we understand this is the cost incurring department. Basically, if we work together with the full operations, operational management, then this department can generate profit, and with the help of this bringing the profit, you can be able to talk with the management, with the top management, that yeah, we are adding value to the business, so we are the income generating department, and then you will be able to get the value from your top management. That's all for today, dear students and viewers. Allah Hafiz.